So let's get right to it. The Hero 11 can be used as a webcam, and I thought that bigger sensor on there would maybe make the image look a little bit better. I don't know, what do you think? This is actually the Hero 11 right now being used as a webcam. But there are a few things that you need to know.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and if you're new here, don't be a stranger. Click that button right there. I'll put links to everything down in the description, plus some coupon codes for some of the accessories and a surprise link. Now, first things first, you have to download and install the GoPro web utility, and that works for Mac or PC. And then you plug your GoPro in via USB-C, and then it will prompt you that you are plugged into the computer. And by the way, I love this little battery door from Telesin because it covers your battery, but it gives you a little bit of space for that USB-C port. Instead of having the battery door wide open while you have it plugged in, it just kind of makes it look a little nicer. And then you're going to run that GoPro webcam software, and you should see it on Mac. It's up at the top. And on Windows, it should be down in the bottom. Click on it. You could say show preview, and then that will actually fire it up so that your GoPro will say active. You don't have to have the preview on while you're doing other webcam stuff, but it's just kind of nice to kind of get it started. For some reason, if it's not recognizing your GoPro at all, there is a solution for it. First thing, you just make sure that you have the latest firmware on your GoPro, so connect it to the Quick app and make sure that all the latest firmware is updated. And secondly, if it's still not connecting to your computer, you can just reset your network connections. And to do that, you swipe down, you go to preferences, you go to wireless connections, and at the bottom you say reset connections. And that most likely will fix the problem. It does default to 1080p, but you can switch it to 720 if you want to. I don't know why you'd want to. You can also pause the webcam with that button right there, and then you can change the digital lens. Now, I say you can, but you actually can't. I don't know why, but on the Hero 10 and the Hero 11, for some reason, you can't switch that digital lens. It just sits on wide no matter how much you try. So you have narrow, you have linear, but it will only just stick on wide. Not enough people use it to complain about it, and they probably didn't do anything about it, but GoPro, fix that. But now that you have it running, you can use the GoPro webcam as a video source. So like on any of the popular video conferencing apps and software like Skype and Zoom. And if you're doing some live streaming, you can use StreamYard or OBS. You just go to that video source and you select GoPro webcam. And a couple of other things to know is that none of the buttons on the GoPro work. You can't record internally as well as use it as a webcam. And also the microphones do not work. So you can't use the onboard microphones. So you need to get an extra microphone. And if you do need an extra microphone, I'll put a list of really good quality mics at different prices from affordable to this one right here. But here it is. This is how it looks. But also let's compare it to the Hero 10. Here is the Hero 10 as a webcam, so we can compare. And now let's compare it to the Hero 9. How does it look compared to the 10 and the 11? And just for fun, let's compare it to the Osmo Action 3. And yeah, so this is the Osmo Action 3 as a webcam. That's what it looks like. Let's compare quality. And the funny thing is the Action 3 works a lot better as a webcam because you just plug and play. You don't need to download any additional software. So obviously you didn't buy your Hero 11 as a webcam, but it's just kind of cool that you can use it as a webcam in case you need to. But if you are looking for like a really awesome webcam, I think you should look at the Insta360 Link. This is by far the best webcam that I've seen. This is the Insta360 Link. It's just phenomenal webcam right here. So do check out the review that I did with this in case you are looking for a really good webcam. The best that I've seen. This thing's phenomenal. But that's basically it. I just wanted to show you how the Hero 11 works and some troubleshooting and how it looks as well. So what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. Which one did you like the best? And a lot more coming up on this channel. So stay tuned and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.